Now, with the current trend of the Ghibli image generator that is running on ChatGPT, so if you're a newbie and you don't know how to generate such kind of image like this is what to do. Open your browser, you go to your browser, you type ChatGPT, openai.com. You can type it chat.openai.com. Just to click on it. If you're a new user, what will happen is that it will tell you to sign up if you're a new user. So all you just need is to sign up with your email and a password for new users. Well, I definitely have an account with them, so I'm not signing up. So it's loading. It's loading. This same method applies on web. In case if you are using web. So it's loading. So it says ask anything, my prompt. So what can I help with? So I just type, I'll say upload. Click on this plus sign, upload file. Go. Here you go. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. So I'll click on this image that I want to use. So that image is loading. So I can say generate image with Ghibli Studio style. So you can go. It's going to take a while. It's loading. It can take like 3 to 4 minutes. So it's loading. You can use any prompt. You can generate image with Ghibli style. You can say generate image with Ghibli Studio style. You can say regenerate the image with Ghibli Studio style. So it's loading. It's loading. This is ChatGPT on phone. At least for most users that use phone. But you can also use the same method on the PC. So while you are here, just try to subscribe to my channel. So it's loading. It's loading. At least for a while now, I think the OpenAI creators said GPU is kind of melting at the moment due to the high demand of people trying to generate images like this. So that should tell you what's at stake. So this is actually absolutely for free. You don't have to use the ChatGPT Pro version to use this feature. So just sign up on ChatGPT and input your image. Then insert the prompt that will generate it. So it's still loading. So for the video sake, I'll have to shift it forward a bit so it can be faster. So it's loading. It's loading. Alright, so here is the image. Yeah, so that generates this image in this style. So this is how to generate image in the Ghibli Studio style. Very simple, and it is free for all users using ChatGPT. So you just click on the picture and then you download the image to be downloaded to your device. Yeah, so go to downloads. Yeah, so that will download to my device. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to Afomik. Thanks for watching.